keep it, cause it's the best secret. I rock a vest, prestigious, Cuban link flooded Jesus. Intellects watching Kathy Lee and Regis. My actions are one with the seasons. A tech squeezing, executioner. Wintertime I rock a for mega popular. Center of attraction, climaxing. My bitches they be laughing. They hop from sniffing coke off for 20 cent Andrew Jackson. I made it like that, I bought it like that, I'm living like that.
This is Ben with Lakeside Defense. I'm out here, we're in God's country in the middle of Payson, Utah. Just wanted to come out here, show the rig that we have running. This is my 14.5 rifle. Just kind of wanted to cover it from tip. We'll work our way back. What I'm running here, the Dead Air Sandman S. This is another local Utah company. I love their stuff. And this was actually one of my first suppressors. The muzzle, I'm running their Chemo system. This is the flash hider, quick detach. It ratchets down. Moving back, I just have this Amazon. I can't remember the brand, but at the time I just needed a bipod to put on here. As far as the upper, this is the Geissele URGI M-LOK slots throughout to give you mounting options. If you see here, you can see that I have an Arca Swiss plate here from Annex Defense. Shout out to them. And then I'm running a Surefire Scout with a Cloud Defense pressure pad. Got the QD mounts as well. So if you're running rifle slings, you're able to mount your QD points on either side. I'm running the Gen 1 Noveske, the OG. I love Noveske. They're one of my favorite companies. We have a Geissele SSAE trigger, flat face trigger. The Magpul, all my rifles have this. Geissele super precision mount, and in that is a Steiner. P4XI is the model. Okay, I love it. I mean, for what I do, I'm not super long range, but it's nice to reach out a little bit. Moving back from there, we have Geissele super charging handle. It is ambidextrous, so you're able to use either side. Just running a normal buffer tube extension there, and then I'm running my very favorite stock. It's the B5 SOPMOD stock. So that's just a quick rundown of my rifle. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just reach out.
I made it like that.